Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you software to help you how to reply to comments on a post in X. First step, you need to click on the viral marketing. In here it has the function that reply comments, and like you can see that there will be three types for you to replies: by personal page or by like post link or comments link, but mostly I use is for post link. So for example, I will get a random post on X. You can scroll down and for example I will choose a random post. Next step, I paste in the link of the post I want to use. Then when you finish that, you can scroll down. You can see that do not reply duplicate like a post a list between the accounts. If you want, you can turn that one on. And here you can set up like the content you want to use for like reply the comments. When you finish that, you can like choose some function in here, including like the comments interaction. Like you can let the accounts to like the comments, bookmark the page, or like repost. When you finish that, you just need to load out all the accounts and click start. So like you can see that the program will start to opening all the X accounts and go direct to the post and start to reply to the comments. So like this is how basic the software will work. If you have any question or you want to install the software, please send me a message on Telegram or WhatsApp. I will guide you. Thank you and see you in the next video.